Hey guys, now in this session we will actually be going to visit a goat production site. I've never seen a huge site like this, and you can be able to see behind me how huge it is, and this is just one of it here. So I'll be taking a tour to be able to know what production is like. So actually this is the entrance to the whole breeding facility. It's huge, and we have to take the biosecurity measures, and after that then everything is going to be awesome. So let's see what's inside and how the breeding will be. Now for this one I'll not be sharing more insight, it's more of touring, but I believe we'll be back soon. Let me know what you think. So these are the cottages, and you can be able to see how huge they were, and man, I've just been surprised. Look at that. The site is just amazing. The whole facilities, you get to see the first one, the second one, and most of the doors are just located outside. And surprisingly, just like we say in poultry farming, you have a biosecurity measure right there, and wow, just awesome. Of course my team is there, so I'm just gonna join them right now. We are getting into the breeding space for the goats. Is such a huge space. I've seen amazing goats right here, and you don't even believe some of the weights involved, some of the kilos they weigh. I mean, let's get to see how these goats looks like. So these are the goats, and look at them. Awesome. So guys, they're a bit curious. You can be able to see how awesome. These are actually the young ones, and there's so many. It's very interesting, yeah? Come on, I'm just loving the goats. This is another goat right there. You guys, you can be able to see, and even how clean the whole facility is. I think one day I should be able to do content in such a. So this is how outside the goat facility looks like. I mean, I'm super impressed.